Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. You have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And here click this button to skip introduction, and now click open permissions and click here to allow this app to appear on top, and then click back, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded, and if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.